Rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students of UPS Waterkhani, our lesson is for 8th class. Subject is Sources and Geography. Lesson Minerals and Power Resources. We have discussed minerals, types of minerals, how minerals can be extracted. Now our second part of this topic is power resources. Power resources provide energy and play a vital role in our lives. We need power for industry, agriculture, transport, communication, and defense. Power resources may be broadly categorized as conventional and non-conventional. Conventional sources of energy. Conventional sources of energy are those which have been in common use for a long time. Firewood and fossil fuels are two main conventional energy sources. Conventional source के जो दो हिस्से हैं वो हैं firewood और fossil fuels. Firewood, first of all, firewood. It is widely used for cooking and heating. In our country, more than 50% of energy used by villagers comes from firewood. Now, fossil fuels. Remaining of plants and animals which we breed under the earth for millions of years got converted by the heat and pressure into fossil fuels, such as coal, petroleum, and natural gas, are the main sources of conventional energy. The reserves of these minerals are limited. यानी ये महदूद इनकी जो तादाद है वो बहुत कम है. Number 2, coal. This is the most abundantly found fossil fuel. It is used as domestic fuel. ये घरों में इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. Industries, कारखानों में, such as iron and steel. इसमें iron और steel आता है. Steam engines and to generate electricity. ये हम इंजनों में इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Steam बनते हैं इसके ज़रिए. Electricity from coal is called thermal power. जो तवानाई हम कोल के जरिए हासिल करते हैं उसको थर्मल पावर कहते हैं. पेट्रोलियम. Black liquid called petroleum. It is found between the layers of rocks and is drilled from oil fields located in offshore and coastal areas. समंदरों के किनारे पर ये पाए जाते हैं. इनको हम ड्रिलिंग के जरिए बाहर निकालते हैं इस लिक्विड पेट्रोलियम को. Petroleum producing countries are Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, and Qatar. Natural gas. It is also a conventional power source. Natural gas is found with petroleum deposits and is released when crude oil is brought to the surface. It can be used as a domestic and industrial fuel. ये हम घरेलू इस्तेमाल में भी ला सकते हैं और कारखानों में भी इसका इस्तेमाल होता है. रशिया, Norway, UK, and the Netherlands are the major producers of natural gas. ये मुल्क इन मुल्कों में ज़्यादा ये नेचुरल गैस निकलता है. हाइडल पावर. रेन वाटर और रिवर वाटर stored in dams is made to fall from heights. जो बारिश का पानी या दरियाओं का पानी जो हम जमा करते हैं उसको जब हम ऊपर से गिराते हैं, the falling water follow through pipes inside the dam over the turbine blades placed at the bottom of the dam. The moving blades then turn the generator to produce electricity. This is called hydroelectricity. These are all conventional sources of energy. Now, non-conventional source of energy. The increasing use of fossils is leading to its shortage. जो हम रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में फॉसिल फ्यूल्स का इस्तेमाल आम करते हैं, इससे इनमें कमी आती है क्योंकि ये नॉन रिन्यूएबल सोर्सेज नहीं है. It is estimated that if the present rate of consumption continues, the reserves of this fuel would get exhausted. Moreover, their use causes environmental pollution. इनके इस्तेमाल से ये चीज़ें ख़त्म होती है. दूसरी बात यह है कि जब हम इनको फॉसिल फ्यूल्स को इस्तेमाल करते हैं तो इससे माहौल में भी कसाफत पैदा होती है. Therefore, there is need for using non-conventional sources. लिहाजा हम अब नॉन कन्वेंशनल सोर्स को इस्तेमाल में लाते हैं, सच एज सोलर एनर्जी, विंड एनर्जी, tidal एनर्जी विच आर रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज। ये जो है ये रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्स है। सोलर एनर्जी ट्रैप्ड फ्रॉम द सन कैन बी यूज्ड इन सोलर सेल्स टू प्रोड्यूस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। इसको हम सोलर सेल्स में इस्तेमाल करते हैं, चार्ज करते हैं और इसके ज़रिए हम बिजली हासिल कर सकते हैं। द टेक्नोलॉजी ऑफ यूटिलाइजिंग सोलर एनर्जी बेनिफिट्स a lot of tropical countries. Solar energy is also used in solar heaters, solar cookers. Wind energy. Wind energy is an exhaustible source of energy. Windmills have been used for grinding grain and lifting water. Nuclear energy. Nuclear power is obtained from energy stored in the nuclei of atoms of naturally occurring radioactive elements like uranium and thorium. Geothermal energy. Heat obtained from the earth is called geothermal energy. The temperature in the interior of the earth rises steadily as we go deeper. Tidal energy. Energy generated by tides is called tidal energy. Biogas. Organic waste such as dead plant and animal materials, animal dung and kitchen waste can be converted in biogas fuel called biogas. Shukriya.